So at the asphalt car class, in this class you tend the rally car class and represent the rally car designer for the asphalt surface. And uh, this class override the calculate performance method from the parent class to return calculated performance values. It multiplies the car's horsepower by 1.1 or another numbers because the horsepower can be changed. So we can use it to indicate the S-Health car have the higher performance on the smooth road. And the next was the championship manager. And this class is the manager class responsible for handling the drivers, race results, and the overall championship status. And it uses the singleton pattern to ensure that there is only one instance for the championship manager in the system, and the class contains two main members. First, the driver for storing all registered drivers and the race results for storing all the recorded race results, and the reduced driver method allows drivers to be registered in the aid result method, aid result to the system. And this method sort the drivers based on their load points and generate the current standing of the championship. And this method returns to the driver with the highest point and the championship leader. And this class is used to calculate various statistics related to the championship and output them in an easy to understand format. It provides several static methods. For example, this calculated the average point across the drivers, and it used the stream API to process the driver list. So, and summing the total points of each driver and then computing the average. And this method calculates the most successful country based on the total points of the driver from each country. And it uses grouping by to group drivers by country and then summing int to sum their point, then find the country with the highest total. And this method simply count the total numbers from the race result. For the driver class, we also have some difficult different method and can name a country can total points, 8 points get car. So these two for the name for the player's name and the country, and get total method return the driver's total points, and the get car method get total and the 8 points method allows points to be added to the driver's total. And this get car method return the car objects associated with the driver. And this class extended the rally car too. And like the for car class and the giver class, the both multiply the horsepower by 0.9 or another numbers, so reflecting the fact that rubber car performs less efficiency on the roof surface. This is a soft surface. And this was the main class, and this serves as an entry point for the entire program and contains the main method. First, the championship manager instance the opting using the single portal, and we can load the 4 drivers message like and different type of cars like the gravel car and the asphalt car. And the next to race and this driver are registered with the system using the register driver. Yes. Then two races, a rally Finland and Mountain Gallery. These are the two race name, and follow this race, and the results are recorded using the recorded results method. And for the each driver and aid a race result to aid the result of the championship, the program outputs the current championship leader using the get championship leader to show the finals points, and the print value statistic about the championship including the total number of drivers, average points per driver, and the most successful for the country, and more information. Result. This was an interface defined two essential methods that must be implemented. We can see that driver and endpoints allows the difficult types of the race result classes, such as the relay result, and to implement this method. I think now we can have this, and this class implement the race result interface and the reference the results of the relay race, and the class use the map. You can see the hash map to store each driver and their corresponding points for the race. And the record result method to record the result for the driver by adding their points to the result map. So according to the results map, and updating their total points using the 8-point method. And the summary method generates the summary of the race result by first sorting the drivers based on their points, and they're printing out each driver's name and the points. The last one class is an abstract class that represents a rally car. It includes the basic attributes such as make, model, and horsepower. And the constructor internalize these attributes, and the rally car allows various types of the rally car, like the gravel car and the F car. So the design this class makes it easy to extend the system by adding new type of cars, and we can try to run the code. As we can see, we have the championship leader, the championship statistics, and the race results, and the car performance ratings. So it also follow the information we loaded, and this we can receive that by inputted by the users. But with I I load the information directly to use all the information. So that's the code. Thank you very much.